Welcome to Code with SP, the world of learning. In this video, we are going to study Python tuple. So tuple is also a collection data type wherein a single variable stores the multiple values or the multiple items of the same or the different data types. And tuple is ordered and these are unchangeable. Once you declare a tuple, the values can't be changed. So in Python, we write the tuple within a round brackets. So here is an example. This tuple is a variable which stores the multiple values. These values are of string data type and these are closed or enclosed within the round brackets. So there are three values and these have indexes starting with 0, 1 and 2. So you can access the single item from the tuple by referring to the index number. Like this tuple of 1 will return the index, the item with the index 1. This tuple of -1 will return the last item, that is negative indexing as we studied in the list. If you have not watched the video of list, then I'll give this in the description box below. You can go and watch it. And there is also a range thing wherein this will return a new tuple with the specified item starting with this uh, starting range to the end range. Let's take an example. So here is an tuple and there are four values 5, 6, 7, 8 and I'm printing this tuple. I've saved this file using as demo.py. Now I'll execute this python demo.py. So it will return my tuple. Now if I want to access only the 7, so the index number I have to mention. So index of 7 is 5 has index 0, then 6 is 1, then 7 is 2. So this t of 2. So now t of 2 will return the value with the index number 2, that is 7. So this is written and these are unchangeable. Like once I've declared t of 2 as 7, now if I try to change the value to say 9, it will give an error to me because these are unchangeable. See, there is an error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. It does not support item assignment. That means it doesn't allow to change the values once it is declared. Now let's try negative indexing of -2. It will return second last item. So it has to return 2. It has to return 7. So it returns 7. Now we can also have range indexing, like from range say index 1 till index 3. So it will return the item with index 1 and index 2. So the end index will not be included in this, starting with this index till this index without including that end index will be returned. So it will return the value 6 and 7. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.